How about this? Look. How about this? You have full access to it. It's not gonna go public. I'll send it directly to you, and you decide if it's worth it. But just flow, just speak, because you're. I see your glow as you're starting to speak about your passion. Don't overthink it, because now. But this is part of growth.
I'm gonna get shy as soon as I see a camera. I can't help it.
Well, try not to, but go ahead.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Nothing, you know.
So you try to help your clients a specific way?
I love to help my clients, you know. I'm not here to sell. I'm here to make a connection with them. This is what I do. This is what I love. This is my passion. I always think that I could be that person behind the scene on the other side. Yeah. And I'm not here just to sell them. I'm here to create a relationship with my clients. For sure, this is what I want to do. Not only a long-term relationship, but, you know, for them to trust me and to send their friends and families to me, which is the main goal.
Yeah. Is that how long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this for approximately 10 years.
For 10 years?
Mm-hmm.
Was it that way that you built your clientele? Was it through referral, or do you have other ways of actually connecting with clients? Like how did you?
Well, mainly through referrals, believe it or not. Word of mouth have worked a lot for me. But I do have a portal and a website and some other vendors that I work with within the industry.
Okay.
But referrals is like, I would say my 80% of my clientele come from another referrals.
Yeah, nice. Mm-hmm. That actually speaks volume on the quality of your work as well.
Well, we take a lot of pride in what we do. We take a whole lot of pride in what we do. We love what we do. We love our clients. And I always feel that you should treat your client the way that you want to be treated.
Okay.
So the fact that I'm taking the time just, you know, to talk to her, to walk her over. She has some concerns about the food, but she has some concerns about her expenses. So I want to make sure that I offer my clients the best that I can within their choices and the budget that she has. So mainly at the Sans Vallara, that's all we do. We all try to be budget conscious, but with a personal touch.
Okay.
For the most part, always.
Nice.
We do our best.
Nice.
That's the only thing we can do.
Yeah. How did you connect with your previous client? How was it? Was it a referral based as well, or?
It was a referral based. I did a wedding from that previous client, and then that client referred her to me. And the previous one before that, she attended one of my events, so she approached me during the event.
Gotcha.
So that's how I got it.
Awesome. If there's something that you'd like to communicate with the world, assuming this does go public, it may or may not, but right. So if there is something that you'd like to communicate with the world, maybe how to connect with you, what would you recommend? What would you tell them?
I said reach out to me. I'm pretty accessible. You can reach out to me through my social media, thesansvallara.com, through my website.
Okay.
You can shoot me an email. You can check my reviews. I'm here to talk to everybody. I'm pretty flexible. I'm not looking to do a sale all the time, but to build a friendship.
Yeah.
So I don't mind talking to people. I don't mind talking to my clients. I don't mind explaining them what the process will be. After that, I build a relationship, and then we go from there. But basically, I'm open to talk to anybody.
Yeah. Is there a qualifier that you expect before taking somebody serious? Like being in the industry for so long, is there something you look for somebody that's serious about taking your business or being a client, a potential client?
Definitely. We have a process. We do a process. Before we get to this stage of meeting one-on-one with my client, okay. I offer a free consultation over the phone. I talk to my client. Just to make sure that we are the right fit, because not necessarily means that I am the right fit for everybody.
Yeah.
Neither that I am within everybody's budget. So we want to make sure that before we come and sit, we go through a process. There's a questionnaire that they fill out for me. They get to ask me questions. I get to ask them questions. And based on that, we go from there. Basically, they decide whether or not we are fit for each other.
Awesome. So go ahead and name drop. Go ahead and plug your social media accounts one more time. Say it slower. And also, I'll go ahead and put a link below so people can find you. What is your social media account again?
You guys can reach me out at the Sans Vallara.
Okay.
That's either through Instagram or through Facebook.
Awesome. Thank you.